Jinx's themes are blue, pink, and purple, and chaos. So, what we're gonna try and do is focus on those three aspects. So, right now, we're going to focus on the spray paint. So, right now, we got like blue and pink smoke on the top and the back. And we're going to use the crow to cover up that one scratch on accident. It also kind of gives it a personality. But we got some spray paint for the smoke because she likes using smoke bombs. And right here, we're going to use this design from the archetype origins to kind of get the vibe of what we're looking for. So they have a bunch of drawings on this, which I do appreciate and like. Like they have words like Jinx was heal, boom. We're not doing the liquid cooling, obviously. I already mentioned that in last video. But right here, it's blue and purple slash pink. So I like the display. I'm going to use that display on the cooler, the IOA cooler, and we're going to draw some things on this. So right here, we're going to use this overall design with the IOA cooler and GPU and the fans, and let's start building. The GPU is flashing like pink because it's supposed to be like a heartbeat. We got the pop with the Zon display behind it, and we got the shimmer bomb. We got the chomper bomb grenade thing right there, and we got the blue fan. So I really think this is actually coming together quite nicely. I don't know exactly what else to add besides the drawings right now, because right now I think this is really cool. So we got the pop, we got the displays, we got the shimmer bomb, we got the GPU, the fans, and the chomper. So right here we're going to go and do the markers next. So the markers are going to be the hardest part because Jinx has such a unique style of drawing that we're going to go and look up an image on Google and kind of trace those drawings on the glass and the case. So again, I'm using acrylic markers because that's what you always want to do with PC cases, and this is the design. So we have Get Jinx, we have the smiley face, haha, all this stuff, Powder, like a wanted postal, time bomb reference, Powder has died, and then we got like her pop in the window, so it's not blocking any of stuff. Silco's daughter, Yoy Jinx, Don't Cry You're Perfect, and the monkey, of course. The monkey's always important drawing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I actually quite like it, and I think that it really fits the style of Jinx because again, she's kind of chaotic and just loves drawing everywhere.